That's a recipe for disaster. You are traveling a very wrong and dangerous route. What if after 3 years he lets you go? For one flimsy excuse, he just says, now the question is, how did that relationship start? And why did you get into the relationship? Another question is, why is he not ready to settle down after 2 years and over 2 years in a relationship? That's a recipe for disaster. You are traveling a very wrong and dangerous route. What if after 3 years he lets you go? For one flimsy excuse, he just says, such people, particularly if they are not clear as to why they don't want to do the needful, it could be because of many reasons. They may have other people they are also dating. They are double dating or triple dating. In some other cases, they have a sugar mommy they are servicing, who has told them, you can't get married yet. It could be very complicated. For me, if you say to me that the guy said, the things I'm trusting God for are not yet here, but there's a part of this that doesn't require too much money, which is going to see your parents. At least let me demonstrate commitment, let them know that I am committed and I'm responsible, such that when I get what I'm trusting God for, we finalize it. That's a man. Commitment is what is key. But he just says, see, babe, you are pressurizing me. Babe, that's what you call yourself, right? You are pressurizing me. This is not what I have in mind. And he cannot explain why. If I'm your father, I'll tell you that was not how I trained you. You should be able to spot scam from afar. So it's time to move. It's time to move on. He's threatening you. Is he the only guy that is threatening you? Is he buying things for you? Is he sustaining your life? So why is he threatening you? Love should not be by threats. Okay? And this is the time before other suitors go and settle down, that you say to him, let's talk. I love you, and I have demonstrated that in the last 2 years. However, you are not showing me that you have a plan for us. At this stage, I'm not getting younger each day. You're going to see a younger lady who still has time to play with, but me, I cannot do that. It's time to move on. I appreciate you. Thank you for your time. And you move on without any... But you see, it may also be difficult for you to move on if you have been collecting all manner of things, your bone straight, that you will use to go and say, serving breakfast, na empire. All the things you are using to do shege, to pepper them, is the one behind it. You may not have the boldness. That's why for me, I do not like when I see those kind of ladies. I love a lady who lives according to her means, according to her income, and grows with it, and can look any guy in the face. That my life does not depend on you. That kind of lady, she can move on at any time. Praise God.